Hi, I'm Journey.
Hi, I'm Jacob. Hi, I'm Darion.
Hi, I'm Miranda.
Hi, I'm Ryan Stewart.
Hi, my name is Bronwyn.
Hi, I'm Janaya.
Hi, I'm William.
Hi, my name is William.
And I was wondering...
Welcome to Smith's Hot Dogs.
Hi, I'm Journey.
Hi, Journey. How are you? I'm John Weber. I'm the president of Smith Provision Company.
Yeah, what do you do as the president?
Well, as the president, there are a number of jobs that I have to be responsible for every day, but many of them tend to be related to keeping everybody working together and making sure that everybody is working according to the same plan.
Hi, I'm Journey.
I'm Donna.
What do you do here at the
I run the smokehouse.
What do you do at the
I get all the product that comes to me, make sure it's, eyeball and look at it, make sure it's all right shape and color, and I put it in the smokehouse and smoke it and make sure it's true to temp. And
I mean, the people that we work with are so fun-natured. We can actually pick on them a little bit, and it's just like a cat and mouse game of picking on each other, and we have so many laughs. It's nobody takes anything personally, so it's very nice to joke around, and it actually makes the day go much quicker when you can do that with people. Time doesn't seem to drag on. All of a sudden joke around, you laugh, you look up, and all of a sudden it's like your work is done, your cleaning's done, and it's time to go home. And you're like, wow, where did the time go?
Everyone that works here usually stays here?
Most people, yes. We had a woman retire a couple of years ago, and she had been here for 39 years, which was fantastic, yeah. So most people make a career out of it here, and that's exactly the way that we want it. Once people come here, we love for them to stay. They do a fantastic job. We're pretty small. We have 50 employees, and we're like a big extended family.